Animals are tailor-made to survive in the wild, and for some, that means having an incredibly powerful bite. But did you know there's actually two ways to measure the bite strength of an animal? The first one is PSI, or pounds per square inch. It basically measures the pressure that will occur when a single force is put on 1 square inch of an area. The other way to measure is BFQ, otherwise bite force quotient. This way of measuring differs from the PSI as it also accounts for the size of the body of the animal that bites. So some animals have an extremely powerful BFQ, like a Tasmanian devil, the piranha, and the jaguar, but you won't see them on this list because it's all based on PSI. So number 10 is the alligator snapping turtle with 1000 PSI. Alligator snapping turtles have the strongest bite among animals with no teeth. But despite that, they are powerful enough to snap off human fingers or break a broomstick in half. Luckily for us, they don't snap unless they are provoked. Number 9 is the Bengal tiger with 1050 PSI. Bengal tigers have incredibly strong jaws and teeth and are able to take down incredibly large prey by biting the throat and strangulating the victim. Bengals have the strongest bite force in PSI among big cats and ranks 4th among carnivorous animals. Number 8 is the spotted hyena with 1100 PSI. A hyena's teeth is specialized for more coarse food, perfect for crushing and consuming large bones. Their milk contains an incredibly high level of calcium compared to other land predators because of the amount of bones they consume. Number 7 is the polar bear with 1235 PSI. Most bears are omnivores, but because polar bears live in the Arctic and there's very little vegetation, they tend to eat mostly seals and other animals. This causes their bite to be incredibly strong, and they have large incisors and canines. Tied for number 6 is the grizzly bear with 1250 PSI. Grizzly bears have incredibly powerful jaws and large canines. It's actually been said that a grizzly has enough power to crush a bowling ball. Tied for number 6 as well is the bull shark with 1250 PSI. Bull sharks have the strongest bite force out of all sharks and really in the entire ocean. Great whites don't have as high a PSI because their sharp teeth does most of the work by slicing through their prey. 5 is the silverback gorilla with 1300 PSI. Silverback gorillas have large teeth, but they're not very sharp. Instead, their powerful neck and jaw muscles give them their incredibly strong bite. Gorillas are herbivores, and their jaws have adapted to chew and digest hard plants. Number 4 is a hippopotamus with 1821 PSI. Like gorillas, hippos have immensely powerful jaw muscles and extremely large tendons, despite their teeth being less sharp compared to carnivores. Although they're herbivores, they have the strongest bite force out of all mammals. Number 3 is the American alligator with 2125 PSI. Alligators have incredibly sharp teeth for tearing and holding on to prey. They have incredibly powerful muscles and can close their jaws and hold them shut. They are actually strong enough to shatter a turtle's shell. Number 2 is the Nile crocodile with 5000 PSI. Crocodiles have quite smaller jaw muscles and teeth anatomy like alligators. They have incredibly powerful jaw closing strength, but ironically enough, have very weak jaw opening strength. So before we get to our number 1, I'd like to throw out some honorable mentions. The Siberian tiger has 950 PSI, the Kodiak bear has 930, and the brown bear has 850. I would also just like to put all this in perspective for y'all. Did you know that the average adult male only has 135 PSI, and these other animals have in the thousands? That's insane. So the number 1, the strongest bite force in the entire world is the saltwater crocodile with an incredible bite force of 7,000 PSI. Not only a 20-foot long saltwater croc will be able to reach this level, but these creatures regularly grow from 20 to 22 feet long. And there's actually a video of a saltwater crocodile biting through a sea turtle's shell, which is crazy. So that's it. Those are the top 10 strongest animal jaws in the world. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you enjoy this video, and check back in for more videos like the top 10 unsolved murders, top 10 conspiracy theories, and top 10 celebrity mansions. See y'all next time.